So I received some comments, some people asking how do they create their YouTube channel and start earning from YouTube. So the first thing, you'll have to switch to account which does not have any channel already. For example, this one, I'm going to click on that account. Then click on this icon, the account icon. Then click at the top, you can see create a channel here below the name. So you'll have to upload your profile picture for that account. For example, I'm going to upload from upload here. For example, I'm going to upload this image. So let me set this as my profile. So here you'll have to edit and write your channel name. For example, this one, Info Techie. Then I'm going to click on save. Then this is the handle. So this is the particular handle in which the people or the audience can use to access your account directly by searching your handle. So the handle, they usually start by heart, then followed by the characters or the name you written in your handle. So for example, FIFA Techie. So let me see if this one is available, and you can see the green tick, meaning it is available. So I'm going to save. Now create the channel. Boom, my channel has been created successfully, and you can see this is Info Techie. So when I click view channel, yes, you will see this landing page where you can manage videos. So as you can see, this is a new channel. There is 0 videos, 0 shorts, 0 live. So the video tabs is here, shorts tab is here, and live tab is here. So that's how simple it is. So now you'll have to upload videos in your channel. So when you click this bottom icon here, you will see videos, and you will also see the short videos. So if you want to upload a long form video, you just simply click on video, then you select that particular video you want to post. If you want to post a short, click on short, then select that video you want to post. Or if you don't have a video, maybe you can record yourself live, and also you can collab and other things about shorts. So that's it for today. See you in my next video.